All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McAllen Municipal Court. My name is Judge Sepulveda. I'm going to be presiding. Let's see, Ms. Hernandez and Ms. De Silva. My understanding is that number 1 has been reset and number 2 has been dismissed. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, great. We will go ahead and move on to number 3. If we call you up, please come up. We're going to talk about why the Texas Department of Public Safety is possibly seeking to suspend your license, see what the allegations from the state are, what they recommend, or if there's a way for you to come into compliance and possibly not have your license suspended. Let's go ahead and see Mr. Jorge Moreno first. Mr. Moreno, is English or Spanish better for you, sir? Go ahead and take a seat. All right. Ms. De Silva, what's going on with Mr. Moreno's case?
Respondent is a habitual violator of the traffic laws, to wit that respondent has 4 or more convictions arising out of different transactions in a period of 12 consecutive months, or 7 or more convictions arising out of a different transactions within a period of 24 months. Such convictions being of moving violations for traffic laws by any state or its political subdivisions.
Okay. And so what is the recommendation of the Texas Department of Public Safety, Ms. Senator, on this?
Your Honor, the state is requesting a negative finding due to Mr. Moreno being eligible, no FTAs, no reinstatement fees, and no convictions within the past 2 years.
Okay, great. So the state is actually seeking not to suspend your license at this time. They're recommending a negative finding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and issue that today, Mr. Moreno. So your license should be okay. You are eligible. Okay. All right. That'll be it, sir. You are free to go. Thank you. Have a good day, sir. If you go to re-get your license, you should be eligible as of right now.
Yes.
Mhm. All right, next case is going to be Mr. Dennis Hernandez Jr. Mr. Hernandez, is English or Spanish better for you, sir? Go ahead and take a seat. All right. Ms. Hernandez, what's the recommendation or the allegations of the recommendation on Mr. Hernandez?
Respondent was issued a Class C driver's license by the Texas Department of Public Safety. That respondent, for medical reasons, is incapable of safely operating a motor vehicle.
Okay, so the recommendation is a suspension of the Class C?
The state is requesting a reset, Your Honor. That way, Mr. Hernandez has enough time to submit a new packet to DSHS for the medical reason.
Okay, so the recommendation of the state right now is to give you more time. You're shaking your head, what's going on?
My daughter wasn't even born. Now she's starting school, and I've sent in multiple statements.
Okay,
And it's the health services, and the DPS, United, every time you try to turn me over to this scene, they're like, oh, we gotta reset. Then reset, everything from the screen is forward.
well, your options here, Mr. Hernandez, is that I give you more time to send it in and it gets approved and your license doesn't get taken away, or I have to suspend your license right now. So it's up to you what you want to do. They're willing to give you more time at this point to keep working on it and not automatically suspend your Class C. But if you don't turn in that paperwork, I have to by law suspend your Class C license. So it's up to you what you want to do. Okay, if you need to talk to Ms. Hernandez and Ms. De Silva, just stick around. We only have like 2 more cases. It shouldn't be long. And you can talk to them afterwards about exactly what you need to send in and where, okay? All right, we're gonna go ahead and reset then. Let's go ahead and reset this one. Medical Advisory Board, would y'all be requesting a 30 or 60-day reset on that?
60-day would be best.
All right, so we will reset you for 2 months, so you don't have to come back next month, okay? To give you time to get in those documents. Mr. Lotta, let's go ahead and reset this one for the October docket. Okay, just take a seat, Mr. Hernandez, and I'll be with you shortly. All right, next case next case was closed out, so we'll be skipping number 5. Move on to number 6, Brando Monterrubio. Brando Monterrubio. Is there a Matthew Montes here? All right, Mr. Montes, your case was dismissed, sir, so you're free to go. Thank you. All right, and lastly, well, actually, let's go back to Monterrubio. Since Mr. Monterrubio has not appeared, Ms. Hernandez, what is the state's allegations and recommendation here?
On or about 11/11/2024, respondent did operate a motor vehicle upon a public street or highway in Arizona, while said respondent was suspended, canceled, disqualified, or revoked, or denied from driving a motor vehicle.
And what's your recommendation, ma'am?
The state is requesting a reset, Your Honor, as applicant lives in Arizona, preferably a reset for next month. That way Zoom can be in motion.
Okay, all right, we'll go ahead and reset for the September date. All right, Ramiro Quintanilla. Mr. Quintanilla, is English or Spanish better for you, sir? Go ahead and take a seat. All right, Ms. Hernandez, what are the allegations and recommendation on this one?
Respondent on or about 2/27/2026 was involved in a motor vehicle accident on a public street or highway in McAllen, Texas, in which property damage to one person of at least $1,000 or injury or death. The estimated damages are $3,642 with 0 cents.
Recommendations for this one.
The state is requesting a reset for 2 months to be able to get all documentation needed
Okay.
that the state is requesting for the accident.
Okay, so Mr. Quintanilla, they're recommending, originally they were recommending suspension because I guess there was a motor vehicle crash and you were uninsured and there's some amounts due an owing. But what they're willing to do is give you time to come, usually they ask that you come into an agreement with whoever that money is owed to. And as long as you have an agreement set up, usually the state lets your license continue. So they're willing to give you 60 days to work on that. If you want to stick around, Ms. Hernandez and Mr. Silva can explain that process to you. And we give you some time to get all that in, so that way your license does not get suspended because of the accident, okay? All right, we'll go ahead and reset then for the October setting. And that's for the DC 19, right? What's it called? What is it? SR 19, SR 19? Okay, reset for SR 19 in October. All right, that'll be, I think, it today for the docket. We'll go ahead and keep on live for 7 more minutes, just in case I really don't think he's going to show up, but Mr. Monterrubio decides to show up from Arizona, and then we'll call it at 10:15. If you ladies need to meet with either Mr. Quintanilla or Mr. Hernandez, you can go ahead and feel free to do so.
Thank you.